Kelly Shaffner here. It is a Stitch Fix day. I am so glad that you showed up to see what my stylist sent me. Do you see this package on top? This little cute envelope on top. This is my Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month Club. It arrived with my Stitch Fix and I thought, why not share it with you? I really like this Fair Trade Friday. Hey, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I am so glad that you are here. I really hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone. Happy Easter. This video will be published on Easter 2020, and I just want to extend a happy Easter to everyone. It's different, isn't it? I mean, this is going to be a very different holiday for everyone, and I am so curious if you are celebrating, how you are celebrating. Please leave it in the comments below, because I know that lots of us are trying to be very creative. I think we are going to barbecue. Yeah, mom's going to come over. My husband and I will barbecue, and we're going to make it a special day. I hope it's a special day for you as well. And I'm kind of hoping there's something Easter appropriate in this Stitch Fix. You guys know, if you are a longtime viewer, I would have already made a video of at least a dozen dresses that I would try on to wear on Easter Sunday. I love an Easter dress, and I don't think I'm going to wear an Easter dress unless it's just a very casual kick around the house Easter dress, because we're celebrating it right here at home. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to cut into the Fair Trade Friday. I hope I'm not cutting anything good inside of it. Guys, this is an Earring of the Month Club, and the price on this, I believe, is $12.95. All the details are in the description below. I don't pay for this subscription. My BFF Barbie actually gifts me with this subscription, and I love to share it with you. With every monthly earring that you get, there is a card, and it usually highlights one woman's story. This is actually a Earring of the Month Club that supports a ministry and empowers women, so I can really get behind that. Please check out the website and learn more about Fair Trade Friday. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh, those are beautiful. These are, it says, rescue a girl, empower a family, redeem a generation. So I am not going to read the card on camera. Sometimes they're so touching, I get a little teary-eyed, and I've been emotional lately anyway, so I'll read this off camera, but I'll also try these on for you so you can see how they look on. You know what? I did have a scheduled fix for the beginning of April, and it did not arrive. I didn't receive an email, no notification, nothing about that fix. I also didn't receive a notice. Normally when your fix is shipped, you get a notification so you can be on the lookout for it. I didn't get that, so I did reach out to Stitch Fix. They sent me I would say it was a form letter stating that some of their shipping was running behind because of the current world situation. It was just very odd to me that I didn't hear anything. So I'm glad that this one showed up. So with every Stitch Fix that you get, you do get a note from your stylist and an invoice. And I did recently up my budget with Stitch Fix, hoping to get some nicer pieces. I just haven't been keeping many pieces in my Stitch Fix boxes, so I thought, you know what, maybe I can get better selections if I increase my price point. So that's what I've done. I'm excited to see what I got. And there's always a return mailer, so anything that doesn't work for me, I can mail back. It's postage free. If you are interested in Stitch Fix or want more information, everything you need to know, everything I know about Stitch Fix is in the description box below. I also have a referral code. Feel free to use it. That's awesome. You get some credit if you use it. I get some credit if you use it. And thank you to everyone that has used my Stitch Fix link. Okay, this is a heavy bundle. I hope we have spring things in here. This is what the bundle looks like. So I'm seeing some coral. I'm not real excited about coral right now, and I'll tell you why. Because I have so much coral in my closet. I have been cleaning out my closet for a number of months, and I bought so much coral last year, so I'm not interested in adding too much coral unless it's fantastic. Ooh, I like what I see on top. Look at this. Oh, okay. This is such a beautiful color. It's a paisley print, green. Who are you by? This is by Verse. You see that? Verse. And made in the USA, so I appreciate that. There is a keyhole in the back. The reason I am a little bit disappointed is these spaghetti straps, because since I started Stitch Fix, I always ask for bra friendly. This is not bra friendly to me. I know there's many ways that I could make this work. Number one, I could wear a jacket with it, but I have lots of these halter style tops. I never reach for them. So that's disappointing. I wish there was a bit of a strap there, a 1-inch strap, so I could wear just a normal bra with it, but isn't that adorable? Okay, next up, okay, this is not necessarily coral, looking a little bit more orange. This is, who are you? Pale Sky, and this is what it looks like. Almost like a leaf print, and there's a flutter sleeve. There's a little crochet detail through it. So that's okay. What is this? Oh, this is, oh, we have something attached to it. This is a Liverpool, really substantial denim jacket in kind of a coral color. This feels really heavy. So I know I'm going to like this. I'm guessing this is going to be about $90. But yeah, I have some of these Liverpool denim jackets. They're very, very comfortable. It might be a bit much for the season that we're heading into. Next up, something in pink, and this is by Sanctuary. And this is a little pink top. I guess it could be off the shoulder, which I will not wear it off the shoulder because I want that bra friendly. It does have elastic around the arm there, but it's an eyelet. Sleeve is eyelet, and I think the body of this top is rayon. Let me check. Let's see how good I am. Rayon? No, yeah, it is cotton and rayon. So, okay, this is nice. The thing that strikes me off the bat is this looks a little bit short, and I've put on some weight, so I am enjoying my blouses a little bit longer. Gen 7. Oh my gosh, look at these, the hemline on this. Super cool. Okay, Gen 7 cropped straight denim. This is what they look like. Love these. Are you stretchy? Okay, 7 for All Mankind makes Gen 7. I received Gen 7 in a mystery box from a friend of mine here on YouTube, and I wasn't familiar with the brand, so I did some research. These are actually 7 for All Mankind. That means they're going to be pricey, and I don't need these at all. I have plenty of denim, but this looks irresistible. Let me try everything on. We'll see how this box works. I've tried everything on, and in fact, I'm sporting my new earrings, which, by the way, are called the Have Hope Lava earrings, and they retail for $18. And the cost of the subscription is only $12.95. I think they're really pretty. I'm going to wear them with my outfit today just because they do add a pop of color, which I desperately need. And if you can hear the wind whipping, I am so very sorry. I can't control the weather, and I'm filming in front of my window because that's the best light. So let's get straight into the clothes. So the first thing I tried on was this little pink top, and this one is by Sanctuary, and this one is called the Eliza short sleeve knit top. And so it doesn't say that it's off the shoulder, but you can see that it has a lot of stretch and can definitely be worn off the shoulder. I don't like this one. This one is $54. I do think that the eyelet is very pretty. This one is just too short. I don't care for the neckline. If it's meant to be worn as a regular short sleeve top, I think the neckline is kind of funky, and I don't care for the off the shoulder. Although I know you can wear an off the shoulder top with a cute lacy bralette in either a contrasting or matching color, I'm not interested in doing that. And this one is just a little bit short for me. It's about half rayon. I don't care for rayon fabric. I know there's a lot of rayon lovers out there. You're gonna love this box because they filled this box with rayon, which is a little bit disappointing to me because I do leave in my notes that I don't care for rayon fabrics. And again, this one, the next top, is also 100% rayon. This one it's by the brand Verse, but on my invoice, it says this one is Renee C. This one is $38. It doesn't fit well. I feel like it should be larger. It was a poor fit on me. I do think it's really a beautiful print. I don't care for the thin spaghetti straps on top. I prefer a wider strap. I have a new stylist. My regular stylist moved on to another position in Stitch Fix, and I have been, well, this is my second fix since that happened. And again, this is a new stylist, and it does not look like that stylist read any of my notes. So yeah, here is the Verse. The tag says Verse, the invoice says Renee C. So I'm assuming this would be $38. On here it says Verse Electo halter top in green. So yeah, I'm not keeping it. I tried the denim jacket next because I really wanted to see how this coral color denim jacket paired with the green paisley top. I liked it. What did you think about that combination? I don't like the top. I think it was a poor fit, but I do like the color combination together. So this one is Liverpool. This is the Tema denim jacket. It is $98. I like it. I have this jacket in other colors, and I do like this jacket. I don't know that I need it, because I have a blazer denim jacket that is a very similar color. And when I put this on, it actually reminded me of that jacket. I think this is very nice. $88, exactly what I expected. If you haven't tried a Liverpool denim jacket, I recommend them. I think they're very comfortable and they're a nice quality as well. But I think I'm probably going to send this one back. I just don't really have a need for it. It's not wowing me. And the last top I tried was the pale sky top, and I'm gonna this is like a rusty burnt orange. This is a color I normally like, and the crochet detail is very pretty. This is a split neck pop over. It has a fun sleeve. It's very lightweight, perfect for the spring and summer season, and it will pair really nicely with the denim jacket. What do you think? Is that too matchy-matchy? Do you like putting the colors together like this, or do you like just complete opposites? I like both. I do like that color combination, but I don't know about this top. This is a Kelly top. I have a million tops like this. I do like the flutter sleeve. It's lightweight, perfect for the season, and would be great into summer. This one's $64. That's a little high. I'm not familiar with the brand Pale Sky. The thing I don't like about this top is that it is 100% rayon. Again, my Stitch Fix notes say that I do not want rayon. All of the tops they sent were rayon. And I am sometimes tempted by it because it's a very soft, lightweight fabric. It dyes very well, and that's why you get these very vibrant colors on rayon, but it doesn't wash and wear very well, and it wrinkles while you wear it, and that is the reason I don't like it. Yeah, I just don't like wrinkled clothing. So I know you can iron it, you can steam it, and when you leave the house, your clothes wrinkle. That's why I don't wear rayon. So I'm going to send this one back. I'll make a gigantic all caps note for my new stylist and say no rayon. I just don't like it. But I do like the jeans, the Gen 7 jeans. What are these called? These are the cropped fringe hem straight leg jean in indigo. And I love the hem detail. Yeah, I still like hem detail. I'm trying to decide. These are really, really soft. They're a very nice quality. They just look similar to many jeans that I own. but they were super comfortable. I really enjoyed when I put these on. I knew immediately I liked them. They're $129. I do have some credit that I could use that would make this purchase more bearable. I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping these. Do you think I should keep anything else? Would you keep the denim jacket if you were me? To tell you the truth, I'm a little bummed that the tops didn't fit well and they were all rayon tops. I was hoping I might find something to wear on Easter, but I can always wear the denim jeans, the really cool earrings, and a cute top that I own for Easter. What are you wearing for Easter? Please leave it in the comments. And the invoice with the subtotal. The subtotal of all 5 pieces is $373. The buy all discount, you get 25% off if you keep everything. That is $93.25, which would bring the total to $279.25. It's kind of pricey, huh? I did raise my price points. You can do that on your style profile. You can let your stylist know what price points you are comfortable with, and I intentionally raised my price points to see if I could get better selections. I would say this one did not work. I mean, maybe I don't even know if it's better selection. It looks very similar to the fixes I received in the lower price point, except for I seldom received denim over $100. I did on occasion, but seldom. So let me know what you think about this fix. Is there anything you think that I need to buy? Is there anything that knocked your socks off? I like these. I'm gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna wait to hear your comments about everything I received in this fix, and I'll decide from there if I'm going to keep anything. I have had slumps, so to speak, with Stitch Fix before, but I've also gone on like runs where every box was a 5 for $5, so I do look forward to keeping an entire box somewhere in the future. Fingers crossed it will be the next one. So thank you so much for joining me, letting me share this Stitch Fix with you and my Fair Trade Friday. I love a Fair Trade Friday. Guys, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Oh, and subscribe. You need to subscribe because I have a very special guest star. Yes, there is a new addition to the Shaffner family, and I've been kind of holding off before I introduced her, but in my next video, I plan on introducing the newest member to the Shaffner family. So make sure you're subscribed, tap the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings. Happy